Hello guys, my name is Roshan Nandurkar, and here I am going to discuss how to create a object in Java for any class. So we can create object in Java by using various way. Let's say I said, for example, uh, one use me one class. Suppose I write use me one class. Okay, and let's say I have a class. I have a class. Okay, test a demo class. Test a demo class. So how many ways we can create object for a test demo class? In how many ways we can create a object for test demo class? So I can create at least by using 5 ways. By using 5 ways, I can create object for this test demo class. Okay, so I can create at least by using 5 ways. Okay, by using 5 ways. So the first way, okay, I can create object in Java uh, first by using okay by using new keyword by using new keyword. Second, I can create a object by using class 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 dot for name method. Class.forName method. Okay, there is a class in Java. Okay, class in Java. Okay, so in that class there is a one static method, for name method. So by using that for name method, I can create object. Okay, third one, uh, by using by using by using get a declared constructor. By using get a declared constructor. By using get a declared constructor. Okay, by using a declared constructor technique. By using a declared constructor technique. And the fourth way, by using by using by using factory method. By using factory method. Okay. And the fifth way, I can create object. We can create object by using factory class. By using factory class. So we can create object in Java by using 5 ways. At least by using 5 ways, we can create object for Java class. Okay, so the first way, okay, let's say I write one constructor here. I write one constructor here. I write a constructor, public constructor. Okay, public constructor, test demo constructor. Okay, test demo constructor as out. We can say test demo object created. Test demo object created. Okay, and now after creating object, so we would like to call one method, like let's say I write a show method here. Okay, so show method here, and we will call that show method by using that object. So I will write one statement here. I am in show. So now I want to access this show method. I want to access this show method. So for that we need to have test demo object. For that we need to have test demo object. Okay, until and unless we do not have test demo object, until and unless we do not have test demo object, till then we cannot call show method. So for that, okay, I will say the first technique by using, okay, first technique, okay, by using which technique? By using which technique? New keyword. Okay, so I will create, okay, I will call a test demo constructor. Okay, so test demo constructor by using new keyword. By using new keyword. Okay, so test demo and t. Test demo and t. And by using this t, I can call show method. I can call show method. Now you can see. Now you can see. Now you can see. I am getting the result of show method. Okay, so in this way we create object by using first way. So second way, I can create object. I will comment it. Okay, so now second way, I can create object by using class.forName method. Class.forName method. So this class.forName method required to have a class name. Okay, class name, full qualified path. Let's say tomorrow, suppose this test demo class present in a particular package, like for example org dot demo like we have package there, and within org.demo package there is a test demo class. So we will write something like this with a full qualified path, org.demo dot we can say test demo. Okay, so with a full qualified path we will write a class name, but right now we write this a test demo class in default package. So hence I will write just a test demo. Okay, just a class name. Okay, now it will return class object, it will return class object. So hence I will receive that class object, okay, in C. Okay, and this class.forName method can generate an exception. So either I will surround this statement with try and catch, or I can write here throws statement, throws. Okay, I can say class not found exception, class not found exception. Okay, either I will surround this statement with try and catch, or I can write at method level throws class not found exception. Okay, now then by using this class object, okay, we can say C dot there is a one method, new instance method. Okay, in a class there is a one new instance method. This new instance method returns object class object. Okay, object class object. So we will cast it into test demo, because we knew that whichever object returning by this new instance method, that object in the form of test demo. So hence we need to typecast it. Okay, once again it can generate an exception. So now it can generate unreported exception. So I will write in the form of generalized exception. Okay, so on the place of writing multiple exception, we will turn it into generalized exception. Okay, so now this new instance method will return object class object. So hence I will typecast into test demo, and now I will set test demo and t, and then by using that t I can call show method. Okay, now you can see once again I will get the same result. This is the second way that I can create object for which class? Test demo class. Okay, now the third way I can create object by using get a declared constructor. By using get declared, once again I will comment it. Okay, once again I will comment it. Now the third way I can create object. Okay, I can say once again class.forName. Okay, and this class.forName. So why we will use this technique? Okay, so what happened that sometime in a class we can found the constructor of that class is a private. Okay, and because of that private we cannot call this constructor, okay, from outside of class. Let's say I try to call that constructor from outside of class to create objects. So we are not able to call that constructor from outside of class. Okay, so whenever the constructor of any class is private, okay, so in fact I will say Java is capable to create object for a class, okay, whose constructor is private. So Java is capable to create object for private constructor also. So now this technique we will use whenever the constructor is private for any class. So now once again this forName method required to have a full qualified path. Okay, okay, along with the class name. Okay, so now test demo. Now this class.forName return the class object. Once again I will receive in C. Now this class have one method get a declared constructor method. Okay, get declared constructor. This get a declared constructor method returns okay constructor array. Returns constructor array. Okay, now we will receive that constructor array in constructor array. Okay, constructor class array. Okay, in a java.lang package in a java.lang.reflect package there is one constructor class. Okay, so now I will receive constructor class array, okay, in ctor variable, ctor reference. Okay, now this constructor will have multiple constructor, multiple constructor. Okay, CTOR of 0. In CTOR of 0, there will be first constructor object. Okay, then CTOR of 1, we can have second constructor object. So now, then after, okay, for this constructor, okay, we will say the constructor, the index of this constructor is 0. So now we need to say CTOR of 0, CTOR of 0 dot set accessible true. So we need to say, because of this private keyword, we have to say, please, okay, please set that constructor as accessible true. And by using this CTOR of 0, by using this CTOR of 0, okay, we can receive new instance once again, new instance, and that new instance method will return once again object class object. So hence we will receive in a test demo class. So test demo class reference, test demo, and then T, and then I can say T dot show method, T dot show method. Okay, so now once again I will get the result of show method. So in this way, this is the third way, this is the third way that we can create object for which class? Test demo class. Okay, so we will use this technique whenever the constructor of that class is private. Okay, so in fact Java is capable to create object for private constructor also. Okay, now the fourth way, we can create object by using factory method. Let's say we write one factory method here. Okay, public method, public static. This method we can call by using class name public static, and the return type of this method is test demo. Okay, and now the method name I can write get instance. Method name can be anything, but the logical name I write get instance. And to this get instance method, we will call this get instance method by using this class name. Okay, so we cannot call this constructor from outside of class. We cannot call this constructor from outside of class, but we will say to get instance method because we cannot call this get instance method from outside of class. Hence we will say to get instance method, please call a test demo constructor. Okay, so we cannot call constructor from outside of class, but we can definitely call that constructor from inside of class. And this get instance method will call to that constructor from class, inside class, and then we will return that object. Okay, we will return that object. So now from this another class, okay, from another class, we will say test demo class has one get instance method, and that get instance method going to return the object of test demo class. Okay, so we can say T once again here, and then we can say T dot show method, So once again I will get the result of show method here. This is the fourth way that we can create object for any Java class. Okay, so for that we are using which technique? Factory method. So this get instance method we will say factory method. Okay, so now the last way that we can create object by using factory class. Okay, tomorrow suppose we have a class. Okay, class, for example, we write a test demo 2 class, and within a test demo 2 class we write a one static method once again. Okay, static, public static, and the return type of that method is a test demo object. Okay, and then once again we write a get instance method, get instance method. Okay, okay, or get we can say test demo, get a test demo object here. Okay, so now you can see within a test demo class we have one get a test demo object method. That get a test demo object return type is a test demo. So now from here we will call the constructor, this public constructor, we can call this public constructor. Okay, or we can have private, okay, so we cannot call this constructor from here. Okay, but we can definitely call this. Okay, so we can say what we can say, test demo dot, which method we will call? Get instance method. So now we know that this get instance method going to return the object of test demo. Okay, test demo objects, and we will return that. Okay, we will return that object. Okay, okay because the return type of this method is test demo object. So we knew that test demo has a one get instance method. Get instance method will call that private constructor, and by using that private constructor we will create object. Okay, now here we will have object. That object will get returned, okay, in this method, and this method will return the object of test demo. And now we will call test demo 2, and then we have one method there, get a test demo object. We knew that this test demo 2 class method, that is get a test demo object method, return type is a test demo. Okay, test demo and t. We will comment this code, and then we will say t dot show. Now once again I will get the result of show method. Okay, so this is the fifth way. Okay, this technique is called factory class. Okay, so same we can see driver manager. There is a one class, okay, for JDBC driver manager. Okay, driver manager class, and driver manager class as a one method, get connection method, and that get connection method return the object of connection. Okay, at the left side we like to write connection con here. Okay, so now, okay, connection con java.sql. Okay, now driver manager has a one method. Which one method? Get connection. Driver manager as a one method, get connection method, but that get connection method return the object of connection. So once again we will say this one is a factory class technique. So now we create object for a test demo class by using factory class. So these are the 5 ways. Okay, first way by using new keywords, second one by using class.forName, third one by using get declared constructor, fourth one by using factory method, and the fifth one by using factory class. Okay, so in this way we create object for Java class by using 5 ways. Okay, so now these are the way to create object for factory class. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Okay, thank you.